অলরাইট আপনাদের আরেকটি অভিনব বলবো না, কারণ এই লেকটা টেকনিক্যালি ইজ পরিত্যক্ত লেক right next to the $1 million house says. So it looks like this lake is under construction এর মতো মনে হইতেছে, কারণ they haven't done anything to this lake. Look, it's like the water is very low, like shaolapur is the tree is the middle of the lake, so it's like drying out. They might do some construction, probably build another multi-million-dollar house on this property, but in this for the time being there's nothing going on. Let's take a look at this a little bit from here. It's actually went way far. All right, I gotta watch out. There's no sign for snake or alligator on this, which is a good thing, but again, it's not perfect place for fishing because yeah, I see a bug the fishing because boshi falale it's not much of a water, it's like jabo ga boshi sira jabo arki. So all right, we'll try to see if we can get another shot from the other side. Okay, this street is, you can see it is A1A and Ocean Boulevard. Okay, can't get to that kind. All right. Okay. No idea about this lake, but it just see the people who walk around this sidewalk. That's probably the beautiful thing about it. Nothing else going on. So this lake is technically Poritekto. Okay, here's the full shot of the lake. Ooh. Okay. Great. Ta-da! Let me just zoom in a little bit. There's prochur gondo koitese. There's nothing going on, nothing excited about this. But again, what exciting is right next to the houses or the area on this. Okay. Pani shuka jaote. Okay, let me just go back. Okay, we're back in the house right across the street, also a multi-million-dollar house. I don't know what's going on the other side. It's probably another marina part. So people are actually leaving this area. All houses has boats, but this lake, no idea what their plan is. But looks like the lake is gonna be there for a while because they already developed around this lake or sidewalk area. All right, so that's all for now. আরেকদিন আরেকটা ভিডিও নিয়ে stay tuned for the next video. ভালো থাকেন, সুস্থ থাকেন, আজ এ পর্যন্তই। আল্লাহ হাফিজ।